Hello everybody and welcome back to the Volume Swabian YouTube channel. I'm so excited because this is getting serious, this is getting interesting. And we're gonna be jumping right in the problem number 6 from this chapter 16, Giancoli's book. So this is what the exercise is telling us. We have two particles. It's not telling us if they are repelling each other or they are attracting each other. But it doesn't matter right now. We're gonna assume they are the same kind. We know that at a distance r, they are experiencing a force of 4.2 times 10 to the minus 2 newtons. And the question is literally asking us like, what would it be the force if we compressed these two particles so that the distance between them would be 1/8 as far? So I just want you guys to think about it. Do you think that the force is gonna increase or is gonna decrease? Come on, take a couple seconds to think about it. And yes, the force will be much bigger. So think about this. You have a spring here and you're using your fingers to compress it. What will happen if you compress the spring even more? The force that you need to apply would be much bigger here. Right? So it's the same thing happening in this case. Thinking about this phenomenon happening here, we're gonna just put hands on these equations. So we know that the force 1 is equals to 4.2 times 10 to the minus 2. And that's equals to the Coulomb's force equation, right? Which is this thing, K. And this is the Coulomb's constant times the product between the two particles over the distance squared. And now what's going to happen with the force 2? The force 2 is my question. So the force 2 is going to be equals to the same constant, the same product. What is going to change is the distance. Now it's going to be r over 8. Okay, so think about this. This number is equals as this. And this force will be equal to this factor. We're going to say that F over this is going to be just the same as this factor over this factor, all right? So, and now we see a bunch of things canceling out. Like this case is going to be canceled out with this, same as this K1 and Q2. And even we can do some stuff here. This is going to be equals to r squared over 8 squared. And now we can see that r squared is going to cancel out with this. So 8 squared is 64, remember that? And then we could say that F2 would be 64 times this value, right? And this is the final answer. Boom, chicka, boom, boom, chicka, boom, boom.